We're excited to announce the addition of Forecast 3D to the ADDMAN portfolio.
This is an exciting opportunity for ADDMAN as we expand our polymer offering. It's a strategic investment that we've made after a series of investments to deliver world-class products to high-growth areas.
Forecast 3D joins our ADDMAN Polymer business. The baseline has been Dinsmore and Harbeck, together serving industries in very exciting new ways. A full new team of people that have joined us. We've got a lot more products and services to offer, and this is just another step towards our mission of becoming the most advanced manufacturing company in the United States. So the Forecast 3D investment is an exciting investment for ADDMAN because it completes another step of our journey of being everything that we can be for our customers. And so when you think about a customer journey, typically a product development pipeline needs everything from prototyping all the way through high volume manufacturing. Our continued investment in our polymer business in particular gives customers this great journey. They can come to us for one project, for one problem, and they can stay with us through the life cycle of their product. Our motto and our mission has been any part in any volume, and this Forecast 3D investment continues that exact message to our customers. We're excited to announce this with you. We're also excited to announce with our customers the other products and services that we provide through metal and machining and additive manufacturing. We are truly a one-stop shop for our customer. The key for this investment, like all of our investments, is just about what we're not going to do in as much as what we are going to do. So what have we decided for Forecast? We've decided that polymer additive manufacturing is a key part of our future. That is the highlight of what Forecast has been known for the last 20 years and what we're going to continue the mission on.
If you look broader across the board for ADDMAN investments,
we've made a series of decisions and changes over the last couple of years to get really focused on what completes our mission, to be the most excited, most dominant contract manufacturer in America. There are things that we have to do constantly to refine our engine, our output engine, to keep our customers top of mind. What do they want from us? They want a highly technical, highly productive contract manufacturer that is making components, not in parts, and it helps them deliver their mission to their end user. We are very, very excited and very proud to be a critical component of our customer supply chain. And this is what we'll continue to do for the next several years. We know what works for us, we know what doesn't work, and we're going to continue to sharpen our sword on doing the things that bring value to this industry.